More news coming in. This has got to do with the 2013 terror attack in Hyderabad, where 18 people had died in serial blast. Hyderabad bombers are to hang, is what is now being said by the Telangana High Court, upholding the NIA court's death sentence. It's a big story breaking at this hour. I'm going to go straight across to Apurva for more on that. The Telangana High Court upholding the NIA court's order for a death sentence for the bombers here. Apurva.
Well, Asra, definitely, Sneha. In fact, this is a major, victory. In fact, because these 6 people who have been identified, NIA had not only filed a charge sheet on them in 2016, but also NIA had, suggested that they be hanged, to death. And now, in the appeal that had been presented today in the Telangana High Court, the High Court has ordered that, they uphold the NIA's verdict that had been given in 2016. All of these 6 members, this is the order that has been issued by the Telangana High Court. In fact, remember, in the 2013 blast that took place in December in Dilsukh Nagar there in Hyderabad, almost 18 people, including an unborn child, had lost their lives. Well, 131 people were grievously injured in that blast that took place there at Dilsukh Nagar in Hyderabad. Following that, 6 people had been arrested and the NIA had slapped sheet on them, wherein all of these 6 people, they were, sentenced to be hanged. And now the Telangana High Court has also upheld the NIA's verdict there, not only stating that the case and the charge sheet that was filed against them, they had looked into the procedure, and now the Telangana High Court has also gone ahead and upheld its verdict.
Yes, Apurva, getting in those details at this point in time to take our viewers back to this case, Apurva, and talk to us a little more about this, about the group involved in this, about the bombers who are to hang. Which group were they associated with? This attack had led to the murder of 18 people in serial blasts that had taken place. Apurva.
Well, definitely, because 6 people had been, named in this attack, namely Mohammed Riaz, that is Riaz Bakal. Then you had Asadullah Akbar, you had Zaid-ur-Rahman, Aziz Saeed Sheikh, and 2 more others. The main kingpin of this was identified as, Mohammed Riaz, that is Riaz Bakal. There in this, and this is a person who had been first identified by the NIA officials. In fact, not only Riaz Bakal, but 5 others along with him had been instrumental in orchestrating this blast that took place in December of 2013 there at Dilsukh Nagar in Hyderabad. And in that said blast, unfortunately, 13 people, like I mentioned, including an unborn child, had lost their lives. Well, over 131 people were grievously injured. They sustained injuries. In 2016, the NIA had filed a charge sheet against all 6 of them.
All right, Apurva, getting in those details as far as the attack from 2013 and this matter is concerned. Hang the accused, hang those convicted to death is what the Telangana High Court has said, upholding the order of the NIA court.